the smartphone world just got a major shakeup. Qualcomm has officially announced a brand new Snapdragon processor that looks like the perfect fit for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 FE. And trust me, this could be the chip that changes the game for mid-premium phones. So, here's the scoop. The new processor is called the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, and it's designed to bring flagship-level power to phones that aren't priced like Ultra or Pro models. We already know the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 exists. It's built for beasts like the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But let's be real, not every phone needs that all-out maximum performance. That's exactly why Qualcomm created this more balanced version. Magnifying glass tilted left, now let's break it down. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 is built using TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, which means better performance, higher efficiency, and lower power drain. It features Qualcomm's latest Orion CPU cores, the very same architecture from the Elite chip, and pairs it with a next-gen Adreno GPU for smoother gaming, faster rendering, and ultra-crisp visuals. And of course, AI is front and center here. The chip packs an advanced NPU plus an AI-driven ISP, which means your photos and videos will look sharper, smarter, and more professional than ever before. Light bulb, but here's the key difference. The Elite Gen 5 goes with a 2+6 CPU setup, 2 powerhouse prime cores plus 6 performance cores. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 instead uses a 1+7 setup, 1 prime core running at 3.88 GHz and 7 performance cores at 3.32 GHz. In real life, that means this chip is still blazing fast, but it's tuned for balance. Performance where you need it, efficiency where it matters, and most importantly, affordability for brands like Samsung. And speaking of Samsung, the Galaxy S26 FE is the phone that could benefit the most. The Fan Edition series has always been about delivering a near-flagship experience without the flagship price tag. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, the S26 FE could give you elite-level gaming, next-gen AI camera upgrades, and premium features, all at a price point way lower than the S26 Ultra. Mobile phone, but here's something exciting. Samsung won't be the first to launch with this chip. The OnePlus 15 will debut the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, followed by Motorola's upcoming